For decades, customers have relied on Citrix for mission-critical application and high-performance scenarios, whether that's overseeing astronauts carrying out operations on the International Space Station, enabling hospitals to deliver life-saving care throughout the pandemic, or facilitating financial trading where every millisecond counts. For these organizations and thousands of others, we understand that uptime is vitally important. In some cases, the threat of even a brief moment of downtime has been enough to prevent you from shifting to the cloud. Well, today, we're excited to announce new technology designed to keep your employees up and running in any scenario. It's called Citrix Service Continuity.
While we always design for redundancy and availability, we're making that design even more robust with our new service continuity technology. With service continuity, as long as users have a path to connect to the virtual apps and desktops, they can stay up and running, even when they can't connect to our cloud service. The user's endpoint securely retains all of the information needed to establish a connection to their apps or desktops, whether on-premise or in the cloud. As long as there's network connectivity to the workload location, everything continues to run. The great thing about service continuity is that it also protects you against identity provider service outages, or if you're desktop or on-prem, internet service provider outages. This is a unique capability that no other DaaS offering provides, and it's available today.
Well, that's great, Joe, and I know that's something our customers are going to be really excited about. Now, another big challenge that companies face is provisioning. Many of our larger customers want to move workloads to the cloud in bulk. They're not doing small-scale backup and recovery operations or other edge cases. They want to run complete operations in the cloud. And the only thing that's been holding them back is having a tool that lets them easily transition all of their desktops and all of their applications to the cloud at scale. Many of these customers have come to know and love Citrix Provisioning Services, or PVS. It simplifies the management of their on-prem servers, and customers have always dreamed of having those same advanced capabilities in the cloud. Today, we're excited to announce Citrix PVS for public cloud, starting with Microsoft Azure and coming soon for Google Cloud.
Yes, exactly. Now customers can leverage the power and speed of PVS they know and love in the cloud. By combining the power of PVS with the versatility of public cloud, we see faster provisioning performance given their robust networking, instantaneous imaging, versioning, and rollback. And we've heard anecdotally in our previews that the new flavor of PVS is actually better at streaming images than the native storage networks of the cloud providers.
And really, just kudos to the team, Joe, for pulling this off. PVS has been one of the most unique and valued features for Citrix for the last 15 years. And I know a lot of people thought it would be an impossible thing to bring to the cloud. But we've done it, and it's one of the things that really makes Citrix stand out. You can take advantage of Citrix PVS on Azure right now, and Citrix PVS on Google Cloud early next year. Now, let's talk about image management. Anyone who has spent even a little time in desktop administration knows that traditional image management can be complex and time-consuming. And that level of effort increases exponentially when you have to do it for multiple sites and across multiple clouds. To address this, we're pleased to announce Citrix Image Portability, a powerful new way to manage, update, and deploy a set of images from one location across hybrid and multi-cloud environments.
That's right, Tim. We're making it even easier to move your on-prem images to the cloud for activities like on-demand bursting or disaster recovery. The first step is to select the desired cloud location. Let's pick Azure for this example. The existing image format, tools, and even some drivers are different between on-premises and in the cloud. Our new image portability service seamlessly moves the on-prem image to the cloud service and converts the image for native cloud infrastructure, making it easy to rapidly provision out of many, many users. This accelerates the move to the cloud and simplifies disaster recovery planning. But image portability isn't just about going to the cloud. It also makes it easier to move images across cloud providers for geographic expansions, public cloud resiliency, and cost optimization across the clouds. You can take advantage of image portability today. One last piece I want to touch on is all about delivering on our commitments to enabling customers, choice, and the seamless deployment of enterprise workloads in your preferred hybrid cloud architecture. We've discussed the native hyperscalers in detail, but let's take a moment to highlight our integrations with VMware solutions like on the public cloud. In Citrix DaaS, you can easily manage and provision Citrix workloads between either on-premises vSphere deployments or within VMware-based clouds. We previously announced VMware Cloud and AWS, and today we're announcing support for Azure VMware solutions. Let's switch gears and talk about IT support. There's nothing more draining on help desk resources than being stuck helping users with a simple fix. When it comes to Citrix, we know that for any number of reasons, networking, forgotten passwords, issues with authentication, a virtual session might need to be reset, and usually that means your employees will have to ping IT for help. To help accelerate the process and reduce the burden on IT, we're pleased to announce Citrix DaaS integration with ServiceNow's virtual agent. A lot of IT teams use virtual agents to supplement their teams and automate high-volume, repetitive tasks. By integrating ServiceNow Virtual Agent, we're enabling customers to automate resolution of common virtual session resets, removing the need to rely on manual IT support and intervention. Users can launch Virtual Agent and request an automated resolution to reset their secure Citrix session without needing to log a support ticket and then wait for IT to respond.
Well, that's great, Joe. It really helps to free up valuable IT resources to focus on those higher level tasks. Now, those are just a handful of the new capabilities for Citrix Desktop Service that we've delivered throughout this year. And there are a lot more innovations that, unfortunately, we don't have time to dive into here, like support for Azure AD and all of our HDX innovations. But if you want to learn more about any of these, you can visit the Citrix Launchpad Cloud Resource Hub, where we've got a lot more detail.